Hi everyone, Mrs. Smith here with the how-to video for IXL Geometry O3. In this IXL, they ask us to draw the lines of symmetry for each shape. A quick note about this IXL is you have to be accurate. IXL will count off if you are not exactly in the middle. It's fairly easy to eyeball the middle of each of these, and we're going to talk about when it's not, how to make sure you're right. So looking at this T, my line of symmetry is going to be right down the middle. And what we're talking about previously when it says you'll know if you're wrong, if you ended up putting it right here, you know like it's not lining up to be right. So there's a couple of places you can put it. Just make sure you get right down the middle. Okay. Eventually, you'll get to things like this, okay? So here's one line of symmetry, and I might want to add a second line of symmetry right here. Be careful for a square, because it's got 4 congruent sides. There are 4 lines of symmetry. I can go right through the middle of each side for one line of symmetry, and I can go corner to corner for the other 2 lines of symmetry. Here's where you'll know if you're right or if you're wrong. Your lines of symmetry have to all meet in the middle at the same point. If they don't, for whatever reason, let me change this one real quick. So let's say we accidentally put this one here. You'll notice that they don't line up in the middle. So I'm going to move this one back so that all of my lines of symmetry pass through the very middle of my shape. Okay, so your H is going to have a line of symmetry here and a line of symmetry here with an equilateral triangle. Because it's all 3 sides congruent, you'll have 3 lines of symmetry. Now, for this one, again, you'll want to be careful because you want to make sure they all meet in the middle. If this is off by a little, like let's say it went here instead, or if it went here instead, you'll see they don't meet in the middle. So make sure for these shapes that the lines of symmetry all meet in the middle. And that is IXL O3.